The pandemic COVID-19 is accelerating in India, so all relevant transportation are closed. Due to current situation, government started urgent ferry services in Hooghly River between Srinampur to Fairly, Uttarpara to Fairly, and Chandanagar to Fairly. The Ganga, as it enters West Bengal on its final journey to the sea, is known as Bhagirathi Hooghly, while the upper reaches around Murshidabad is known as Bhagirathi. It becomes Hooghly as it flows south, an important trade route since time immemorial. The riparian corridor is also replete with historical landmarks, now mostly hidden among the ubiquitous villages, towns, and cities that have grown along the banks of Hooghly River. Danish who arrived here in early 17th century named their settlement as Frederick Nagar, otherwise known as Srinampur. Between 1755 and 1845, Srinampur was under Danish rule. In 1755, they carved out a settlement armed with a royal order from Nawab of Bengal, Alivardi Khan, who granting them free trading right. Under the government Colonel O.B., Srinampur came under the Danish crown in 1777. Srinampur College is the oldest university in India to be in continuous operation. It was founded in 1818 by the English missionaries known as the Srinampur Trio, William Carey, Joshua Marshman, and William Ward. The Carey Library and Research Center located inside the college is repository of the early print and publishing history of India as well as many rare books. A short walk from college will take you to St. Olaf's Church, built between 1800 and 1826, have been painstakingly restored. It won the UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation in 2016. The facade still bears the monogram of King Christian VII of Denmark, Norway. Over 230 years old, Denmark Tavern, which has practically catapulted Srinampur into a dining destination. The tavern have a cafeteria and lodging for visitors. Those who want to delve further into history, there are two cemeteries in Srinampur. The Mission Cemetery, where lies buried Carey, Marshman, and Ward, and the Danish Cemetery. The Yatra of Mahesh is the biggest Rath Yatra in the world after Puri's Trio Rath Yatra and the most popular in Bengal, having been celebrated since 1396.
যেতে পারবেন, অযথা তাড়াহুড়ো করবেন না। আমাদের অন্য কোনো পার্টির লিডারশিপের স্টাফেরা আপনাদের
Vivekananda Setu is a bridge over the Hooghly River in the West Bengal, India. It links the city of Howrah at Bali to its twin city of Kolkata at Dakshineshwara. Belun Math is the headquarters of Ramakrishna Math and Mission, founded by Swami Vivekananda, the chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev. The temple is notable for its architecture that fuses Christian, Islamic, Hindu, and Buddhist art motifs as a symbol of unity of all religions. Howrah Bridge is a bridge with suspended span over the Hooghly River in West Bengal. Commissioned in 1943, this bridge links two cities of Howrah and Kolkata. On 40th June 1965, it was renamed Rabindra Setu after great Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore, who was the first Indian and Asian Nobel laureate. Chandpal Ghat and Fairly Place Ghat are the most popular ones as they are both located near Dharmatala and Dalhousie, the central business hub of Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of the Indian state of West Bengal, located on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River. Kolkata is occasionally called the cultural capital of India. The Kolkata tram is the only tram network operating in India, started in 1902. Daily commuters who have to reach Kolkata from Hooghly district comprise majority of passengers in those ferries. For this pandemic situation, Kolkata's recorded history began in 1690 with the arrival of English East India Company. Job Charnock, an administrator, was formally credited as founder of the city. Dakshineshwar Kali Temple is a Hindu Navaratna temple located at Dakshineshwar. The presiding deity of temple is Bhavatarini, an aspect of goddess Kali, who is form of Adi Shakti Mahalakshmi. The temple was built in 1855 by Rani Rashmani, a physiotherapist and a devotee of Kali. The temple is famous for its association with Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev, a mystic of 19th century Bengal. Waterways traveling on the Hooghly River is beneficial to all pupils of Hooghly, Howrah and Kolkata districts from many aspects like ace, airy, soothing, and mainly the problems of pandemic coronavirus situation when the transportation system were temporarily closed. To ride the ferry on a rainy day is the one of the most heavily experience one can have.